Morning breakfast.
Breakfast.
In the trunk. Hey. Look, wanna see yourself? Brady, look. Home from anywhere, work, Target, and I immediately put on sweatpants because I like wearing jeans all the time, but I hate wearing them while lounging at home. Sweatpants I've been wearing for the past like couple of days are from Old Navy for Christmas, which is good because we got a bunch of Christmas stuff today. Whew, we just spent more money at Target. I don't want to say than ever before because I know last Christmas I spent more, but this was like Christmas decorating shopping. We saw when we went that they were having 50% off their Christmas trees, and we actually got rid of our Christmas tree when we moved. I had been wanting to get rid of it for a minute, but we had it for a few years, but it was one of the ones, it was perfect, pre-lit, fake tree, but it had glitter on it, and every year glitter would just get everywhere. So I've been wanting to get a new tree, but they were 50% off today, so I was like, today's the day. And then their like Wonder Shop outdoor stuff was 20% off, like a lot of the Christmas stuff was 20% off. We were also supposed to take Christmas or like holiday photos today, but it is drizzling out, so that might get pushed to tomorrow. But I did end up getting little like booties for Avery.
Little booty.
These are really cute. And hold on, wait, just wait. For Reagan, these are so cute. And I also really been wanting a new curling wand. I have this like nice expensive one that I've had since high school, since my senior year, and I'm just over it. Like, I just don't like it anymore. So I went back to the first curling wand I ever purchased, $20. I know I love this thing. So we also got groceries, stockings. We got brand new stockings.
Don't beat yourself up because we have a house this year.
That's true, and I really want to decorate it.
There you go.
There was lots of stuff I really wanted to get, but I was just like, And we have all the Big Lots stuff too for outdoors, but I just wanted to get like 2 more things. There's still one more thing I want to get. 2 more things. And there's a couple of things I want to get for the, stop looking at me. A couple of things I want to get for the upstairs.
Who's the one that you're always yelling at?
And also, I want to get 2 Christmas trees eventually. Well, not this year, but we need one upstairs too.
2 Christmas trees?
I want one upstairs too. And I also want one for my room.
What? Okay.
He's mad at me.
I'm not mad.
He got a blanket.
I'm not mad, I'm just disappointed.
They had a really cute little hedgehog I wanted to put outside.
I'm gonna steal it from Ricky.
No, don't steal it from Maggie, I'll just show it. This is a little comfy blanket with a little comfy baby.
She loves Daniel the Tiger.
Cheeto Tweet loves Daniel Tiger. Oh, she said this is actually her blanket.
That's her soothing blanket, and that's her comfy one.
It's her new comfy blanket. Look at her, she's mad at me. Currently in our garage is kind of a mess right now because we have a lot of shipping supplies and stuff in here that needs to be organized, but we're gonna go to Costco one of these days and get a big like rack for the garage just to organize all the shipping stuff because it's kind of a mess. Oh, that was the TV. I was like, Anyway, so I'm gonna show you guys some of the Christmas stuff we got. I had no intentions of buying Christmas stuff today at Target, but when I saw that trees were 50% off, I got really excited. So this is the tree. It is a 7.5 Alberta spruce lit tree. Originally $230, half off. This was like the best one in my opinion. I was really excited about that. I also got a new tree skirt because when we tossed out our tree, the tree skirt was with it. And that really annoyed me, but it's okay. I picked out this one here. It's like a nice flannel. We're not gonna decorate. I don't know, probably not till after Thanksgiving. And then I got us all new stockings. I saw these magnolia ones. I like that they're all plain because I'm going to buy tags with our names on them from Etsy. I found some really cute ones that I want to get, and I think that'll be really nice. So we all have nice gray stockings. And then I got this. The outdoor stuff really was great, and I really wanted to get more of it, but all our shipping stuff. But I just kind of refrained. But I saw this because we already have a snowman that I got from Big Lots. But look at this. So cute, right? I feel like Avery's really gonna like this too. I'm so excited for Christmas, but I just know that like every year I'm just gonna get more and more, and I'm really excited. We have two like landings on our stairs. One is really small that I wanna get kind of during Christmas. I wanna maybe put two like little tiny trees, like, you know, like little decor trees. And then we have a really large landing, and Brian was like, oh, we could be those people that get the little like Christmas towns. I was like, yeah, but those are really expensive. So every year we'll have to get one. So this year we'll just have one, and then the next year we'll have two, because I know my grandma used to do that. She would get one new one every year, and I was like, we put some garland up there for now, and then just like add our little Christmas town every year, because that's kind of crazy. Thankfully the cats can't like jump up to that landing, so thankful for that. And then Brian got a surprise, which I will go, well, not a surprise, it's been pre-ordered since September, but I'll go show you what he got today. And this is what Brian got today in the mail. Like I said, it's been pre-ordered since September, but came today.
September 16th.
September 16th came today. It's this little, I don't even want to touch it because I don't want to like accidentally shove my finger in it.
What?
I don't know, like I don't know if I'm gonna mess anything up.
Sneak.
I guess.
There's like, find the buttons. I could hardly
I don't know.
Exactly.
His wax warmer and his PlayStation. Checked the mail, and here's a little sneak peek of the newest toppings for the next bundle, which I'm really excited about. So cute. I am currently printing some invoices so we can do orders tonight. It's probably gonna take us a couple of hours, and Brian just got another new surprise in the mail. Do you wanna come show them?
Sure.
He kills me.
3 years.
3 years is what he's saying. Why don't you come on this side?
The stars aligned, and today just so happened to become Christmas for me. I just got the iPhone, what is it? iPhone 12 Pro Max, yeah. I've had an iPhone X for 3 years. It's about time for an upgrade. Kirsten, you just got a phone like what, a couple months ago?
I got a new phone because my phone broke.
Okay, my battery's not that good anymore.
Mm-hmm.
This thing's massive.
It is pretty big.
I got the black one. I don't know the actual official
Well, now
name.
we'll know the difference for sure between our phones.
Yeah,
because your
mine's
phone's
bigger.
a brick and mine is...
We had problems where...
Our phones looked the same from the front. Show
Yeah.
you.
Oh, it's transferring stuff, but yeah.
So the only way we could tell is by our cases.
Yep.
So we would constantly be picking up each other's phones. But yeah, so I'm printing these, and then we're gonna do some orders.
Packing orders.
packaging break. Cause this one wants to chat.
Hey.
Uh-oh, Avery fell.
Oh.
We finished orders. Reagan's trying to climb in the chair. I would show you, but people's addresses are on them, so I don't want to do that. It took us about 4 hours. To be fair though, we did take a break in between to eat some pizza for dinner. But yeah, I would show you my kids, but they're both naked again. They do this thing where when it's relaxing time, they're like down to their underwears. Well, underwear and diaper, but yeah, I think we're just gonna watch Ray. Ray, come on, babe, come on. Come on, babe. She's such a baby. Anyway, she's a baby. I think we're just gonna watch some shows tonight. I'm not super tired right now, but that's our Friday. Today is Saturday, the best day because it's comfy cozy day, but like to be fair, the days I've been off recently have been comfy cozy, which is nice. Reagan is napping, so I'm coming into my little office area to film the first part of my plan with me so I can have that done. Brian has been running errands all morning. As you guys saw, he took packages to the post office. He got an oil change, and then he is currently at the dentist because our dentist is open on Saturdays because he's had pain in his tooth, and the last time he had pain in his tooth, he put it off. I'm like, I breathe now, and had to go to an emergency dentist appointment, which cost us far more money than if he just went to the dentist. So he's there now, and I am gonna film, like I said, so I need to offload this camera and do that. Brian is home from the dentist. He has to go kind of often because there's a couple of things that need to get done, and he has wisdom teeth that need to get removed. I feel like I am a chicken with my head cut off right now. I feel like Brittany's saying that because I just did a couple loads of laundry, changing, this is for the bedroom, air filters because we just got the notification from Nest. It was time to change our air filters, so I'm gonna do those. We only have 2, which is nice, which is weird actually though, because I thought there would be 1 downstairs, but there's 2 upstairs. So I'm gonna change our air filters. Brian's going to pick up pizza. We had pizza for dinner yesterday. We had sushi for lunch, which I didn't vlog because I don't remember, but we had pizza for dinner, but it was like a quick pizza, so he's running to grab like pizza for the kids, and we got a sub to share. I am so sweaty. And wax just got delivered, and 1 new scent and a tester scent for something I want to try later. So let me just change these air filters. Never changed air filters before moving into this house. Maintenance always did it in our apartments, and I've never done it before that because I was a child. So this was the first time I've done it, like was moving into this house, and I don't know why, but I took on the task of doing it. It's just like, it's not that it's a lot of work obviously, but like standing up there like this, I always feel like I'm gonna fall. But fun fact, I YouTube everything, so definitely if you're changing air filters for the first time in your entire life, YouTube the correct way to do it, because if you put your air filter in backwards, it could seriously mess up your AC unit, and I don't want that to happen to you guys. So I'm gonna go downstairs, eat the sub. Pizza, a stinky little kid. Thumbs up? Yeah. And a sub, chicken parm. So I can open it up. Jesus. And then Daddy got us a big cookie. You say goodnight? Good night. I know there wasn't much kids in the vlog, so we have our cool lights on.
And the fur
Have a kiss.
No.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Can you say thanks for watching?
Thanks for watching.
Avery, say thanks for watching normal.
Thank you for watching. Butt cheeks.
Okay. And then this one's already trying to go see.
Daddy,
Get up, yes.
Hope you enjoy.